we're back. Today I'm going to share you one of the water garden product that I used before in my pond. I used this in my filtration, my Nexus filtration. It's called Pure Pond Bumb. So what is a Pure Pond Bumb? Is it effective product or not effective? Where can we get it? How much is it? And my experiences that I'm going to show you today. Hopefully it can give you an idea if you would like to try it also in your pond. So join me today. Pure Pond Balm is ideal for use in koi ponds and it can also be used in any conventional filtration to achieve crystal clear and healthy water. So this is my pond before Pure Pond Balm. It's a little bit milky color and greenish, if you can see. The balm itself is a friendly bacteria and enzyme which works as soon as the ball hits the pond water, breaking down the ammonia and the nitrite. This is also great to use if you are starting up a new filter. It has a high concentrated bacteria that will help remove the harmful ammonia nitrites, allowing the filtration media to mature. So I ordered this two packages of balm in Amazon. They're about $50. And you can order one if you want. This is how it looks, and it is black gel in a container that you can just drop it in your pond. So this is supposed to be an award-winning water garden product. It's fast-acting concentrated version of the Pure Pond. It's very ideal to all koi hobbyists to get a crystal clear water, like I said before. So one balm supposed to be effective on a pond to 20,000 liters or 5,000 plus US gallons, and you can't overdose your pond with this. It's better to have more than less. In a packet you get the manual on how does the product works and what to do with it. Where it's like product information is in there. And you can add it directly to your water or also in your pond filter. Here's my media of my Nexus 220, and I dropped it in the media itself because I was starting my new filtration. Again, this is my water before the pond balm. It's milky, and after the pond balm, here's a crystal clear water. I never had this before using the pond balm. So I can see my fishes after using this, and it works about a week, and it lasted 3 weeks. That's the only disadvantage with this product. In my experience, it only lasted 3 weeks and it went back to its original state. And for me, it is very expensive to use it as a pond maintenance. So let's sum up the product. What is pond balm? Pond balm is a highly concentrated bacteria that helps remove harmful ammonia and nitrite in our pond. Is it effective? Yes, it is very effective. You can get a very crystal clear water, but it does not last long. To me, my experience is only lasted 3 weeks and then it went back to its original state. Where can we get the product? You can get the product at Amazon.com. It's $50 plus for 2 packets and $20 plus for 1 packet. Also, keep in mind that one balm is only effective on a pond up to 2,000 liters or 6,000 gallon pond. I have a 6,000 gallon pond, and the more I feed my fishes, the less effective would be the pond balm. So if you have a smaller pond, it might last longer than what I had experienced. That is it for today for our water garden product review. I hope you get something out of this video, and we'll see you again on my future video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.